Yo guys, what's up? Good morning. The weather's getting a bit better outside, so the wind turbine stuff should be back on the go after I've got this sent out to the customer. So I just wanted to quickly show you what the SP is with this. Let's turn everything off first. So have this independent power socket here, and this means that if there's an emergency you can just yank the cable out the front of the machine without having to mess around at the back. When I turn this on, these fans will run independently. So there's 4 in the back, the front, and 2 at the back. When we hit this, they will power up, and that will allow the ozone tubes and plates to pre-cool before they start operating. So I'll flick that on. So if you were operating the machine, you would leave that for a couple of minutes. Then you could turn the air pump on first if you wanted to, and then this switch runs the timer, and now we have the ozone. So that is producing a lot of ozone. There's still some stuff to do inside. You can see the stainless steel hose clips, the pumps need mounting in there. This wiring needs all sorting, but it's good to go, and it makes a serious amount of ozone. So that, I just wanted to give you guys an update on that, and thanks for bearing with me, and we'll be back on the wind turbines as soon as the customer's got this and they're happily making lots of ozone. Alright, have a nice weekend. Peace.